Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've got another parcel here. Now this is from Victoria. Got a lot of subbies in Victoria by the seams of things. Joy Rampant, R-A-N-P-A-N-T, I think it says, yes. And she is in Victoria in Australia, and she sent me a lovely parcel. I'm sure it's lovely. Any parcels I get are all lovely, aren't they? I'm just going to slice them along the top here. Ooh. There we go. There's a nice parcel. Thank you very much. Oh, the washi tape does come off a bit easier than it should, doesn't it? But that's nice, that flower on there. I like the one, this rose stuff. I'm going to be using this again because I'll just use a bit more glue on it and put it on something nice, on a tag or something there. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness me, what have I got here? I've got another piece here. Oh dear, my tummy's making a noise. I'm terribly sorry about that. That's very embarrassing. I really can't stop this because if I do, I'm going to have to redo it and that won't be nice. Oh dear, look at this. Oh, isn't this look good? Oh, this looks so good. Wow, isn't this nice? I don't want to really undo it and make it. And oh, look at me. Oh, look at me card. Oh, look at the card. Oh, why can't my brain work out something like this? I can't. My brain's not good enough to. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, I do like this. Thank you so much. And she's done a real. There's really nice embellishments on here. Look at that. Piece of stamp, another bit of stamp. To dear Sonia, thank you for letting me join your 5-year subby giveaway. I don't have a YouTube channel but love watching your videos. You are so talented and a lovely, kind lady. Hope you can use these little pieces. Dolly was my mother's, but I can't embroider to finish it. Hope you can enjoy it. I'm still learning to be a crafter. Well, if this is anything to do with it, this card, I think you've nearly got it down pat, really. I think this is so you do know how to. This is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. I do love this. I do love this so much. You've inspired me, so look at that. I do love that. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. And we've got, I'm just going to undo it. I just have to, I suppose. Presentation is beautiful. Look at this lace, lace. I'm just lost for words now, aren't I? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, thank you so much. And there's a piece of embroidery. She said she can't embroider. Oh, look at that. Your mum did this? Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, it's so kind of you to send me that. That is very kind of you to send me that your mum made. Thank you so much. It's really lovely work. Very nice work. Look at that. It's beautiful work. Sometimes it's hard to tell the front from the back when you see such beautiful work, isn't it? Look at this. Oh, she's patted these up. They look so good. Thank you so much for that. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at this. I've got another piece here. Oh, these. Wow, we used to do these at school, eh? Oh, we used to do these at school. Oh dear, look at that. I remember you used to do these at school. Yeah. You frayed the edge and then you did your stitches around the outside. I was never keen on it, I didn't like it at all. It was really the weirdest thing. My mother wanted me to sew so bad, and I didn't want to do it so bad. You know how you are when your parents want you to do something, you don't really want anything. But I did after I got a lot older. Oh, well, I did stuff, but when I got a lot older, I just taught myself everything, most everything. I did learn a bit, but most of it I was self-taught. Look at this. Maybe that's why I muck it up so much. Isn't that nice? Thank you so much for that. They are absolutely awesome. Oh, oh dear. Hang on, I'm going to have a mouthful of water. Oh, look at the tassel. Oh, look at that tassel trim. Wow. I'll put the lid back on the bottom. Look at the tassel trim. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, thank you so much. That is amazing. I love it. Look at the colours. Aren't the colours gorgeous? Oh dear. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that, Joy. That is so kind of you to send me that. I do love that. I do. It is gorgeous, isn't it? Wow. Oh, and these beautiful. We should be looking at the fabric first, shouldn't we? Because this is awesome. My goodness me, look at that. Oh, I love this. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. And there's another piece. Oh, isn't this lovely? Look at it. Beautiful colours. Oh, dear. That'd look really good on the kimono. You know what? All the different styles of fabric I've got can go together in so many different ways, but we'd have to have different themes, wouldn't we? Oh dear, isn't this so lovely? Thank you so much, Joy. This is absolutely beautiful fabric, absolutely beautiful. And then I've got this absolutely beautiful crochet lace. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at that. Oh, thank you so much. Isn't this nice? Look at it. It's pretty and pretty. And here's another piece. This is really soft. Goodness me, you can hardly feel it. You're holding on to that. It's as light as a feather. Isn't that lovely? Oh, wow. Thank you so much. You sent me so much too. There's a heap there. Heaps of it there. Thank you very, very much. And I've got this really nice piece. I do love that. Oh, wow. You can... Actually, this is going to be... You can either cut that along there, along there, along there, or have the whole thing, or just cut it in half. You've got 4 different trims in that, Nelly, because of the way that it's woven and that. You can do that with it. Isn't that clever? Oh, I do love that. Thank you very much. The colour's beautiful. I do love these. I do. And this beautiful material. And I do really love these. I mean, you know, there's nothing much to say about that. This is just absolutely awesome. This is going to be definitely going to be a page in one of my books. Look at that. It's already made for me. I might just put a couple of little bits on it. But I've got a couple of pages there, see? Because isn't that cool? It's already done. There's little tiny marks there where the pin was through, but look, we can put something over there. And here's another page from my book. Thank you so much for these beautiful things. I absolutely love all of them. This card is beautiful. Thank you so much for that, Don. It's very nice. Thank you so much, Joy. I love these beautiful things, and it's very kind of you to enter my challenge. And thank you, everybody, for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.